This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Zilberer. This beautiful turn-of-the-century home has all of its original woodwork and other great features like the grand foyer with open stairway, lead glass windows, hardwood floors and 2 large wood pillars that invites you to the living room where you will find a wonderful fireplace. This home has a dining room large enough for any family gathering and is finished with its original built-in cupboard, coffered ceiling, and wood-paneled walls. You will want to have every holiday dinner. This home has updated kitchen and baths, heating, water heater, roof, and guys will enjoy the oversized garage that is heated. Enjoy this summer on the back deck overlooking your fenced yard and above-ground pool. For more information, review the details below.